Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE T10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this DOOGEE. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then to disable location, tap on Close in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is now off. If you wish to switch it back on, tap on the same icon again. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then manage location by tapping on this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!